Just like Finn. Very good. Candy cane F. Very good. Cross at the dots. Very good.
I knew that.
Eh. Oh, it's even more like your name. Eh. I says eh. Now fish. What's that special sound? Shh. S-H. You're right. Good job. S-H.
We learned that.
S. Start at the dots. Make a C and then a backwards C. Very good. And H starts at the top. Goes down the elevator, back up the first floor, and over the hill you go. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, let's read your words you wrote. Ready?
Mailbox, policeman, bouncy house, water, blueberries, fish.
Very good, but it looks like you're reading the picture. Can you put your finger under or your pencil right under the word when you read it? Very good. What does it say?
Mailbox, policeman,
Very good. What's the next one?
bouncy house.
There's 2 words there. Can you touch each word over there?
How about I do it with
Look,
my clothes?
Bouncy house. Can you do that?
I want to do it closed with my eyes.
Okay. No, you can't read with your eyes closed. That's silly. Put your finger over here. Quick snick. Bouncy house. Next one.
Water,
Water.
blueberries, fish.
Fish. You know what I noticed? You said blueberries, but you only have blueberry. So what do you need to add? Blueberries.
S.
Very good. Awesome. Great job, Finn.